This one is really it's a plastic bottle, but I broke up the glass bottle and take it tile it.
Tile it?
Yeah.
So you use glue and broken
it's
bottles?
Plastic inside, glue and broken bottles and coconut shell.
Wow.
And it becomes a vase. This is empty now. I will have to throw it.
Yeah.
And I don't want to throw it.
You don't throw it? You find use for it?
Yeah.
Not waste. Nothing waste. Yeah. Nothing of that shit. Hey, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my channel. Remember that gentleman, Catadoc? I featured him in the Catadupa community feature. There's a link in the description below. He has an interesting recycling enterprise. Plastics and just about all kind of waste he converts into toys, housewares, household items, and just about anything else of value. He took me down here, downstairs the community center, to show me what he does, and I'm gonna share that with you right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, so I invite you to hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these, people like him, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go inside. So this is Catadoc's enterprise, guys. Catadoc. We are downstairs. We're actually in the basement area here in the community of the community center, and I tell you, I am so impressed with what this man has here. He takes waste products. This you can see is like a engine oil, right? And he converts it into toys, housewares, all kind of items, right? So these are some toy trucks he makes, right? These are toy trucks he makes. Big, small, from bottles, cans, electrical lighters, old jugs, everything. He believes in wasting nothing. Certainly, he doesn't want anything to affect the environment, and he feels passionately about it. So you'll see a lot of toys here. Toys here that he has here. That's him here. Catadoc art, and look at the art. Catadoc art, that's his number here. Man, saving the environment indeed. So, Sir Catadoc, again, how are you, sir, again?
I'm fine.
Good. Interesting enterprise you have here.
Yeah, thanks.
I'm curious, what was your inspiration, man? Why did you do this, and where did all this talent come from?
I don't even know what to tell you. When I was going to school, I loved technology and science and those subjects. I used to be creative from I was small.
Yeah.
So the idea came 2017. More idea came to me, and I started make the things them a little neater, a little more perfect.
Yes.
Yeah. And I make everything from plastic bottles. Everything. I make balls. I make boat.
That's a boat.
Yeah. And all of them actually can work.
Yeah.
So if it's a tip truck, can tip.
It's a tip truck.
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely. And that is a bag, you said?
Yeah, this is a bag I'm creating for a school. It's just here to put cover on the strap.
Yeah.
To go on.
And that's what? Paper now?
Yeah, it's cardboard bag.
This is serious talent you have here, man.
Yeah.
Now the world needs to know. Well, the world is seeing now. When I say the world needs to know about you, but the world is seeing you now.
Yeah.
All right, my friend. And while I showcase Catadoc's special talent with you, I'm supposed to share some fantastic news. You know, we recently achieved 50,000 subscribers here. Yes, that's huge, considering our humble beginnings. And so I say thank you. Yes, man, you and all my subscribers for watching, liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. You know, I'm really humbled to know that persons are joining me on my mission to correct the narrative, I call it, to share what I call the real Jamaica. not the latest craze or hype, but the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real personalities and the assets in and of Jamaica. But I have one huge favor to ask you. My next goal is to get to 100,000 by this summer. So I'm going to need your help. I won't ask so much. I just ask you to do two things. One, if not already subscribed to my channel, do so right now. Just click on that red subscribe button below this video. And two, share this video with someone. Yes, man, just one, not 10, 20, 50, just one person. If you do that and get the next person to do the same thing, I guarantee you will get there. All right? So do that for me, man. Thank you, my friend. Thanks in advance. Now back to Catadoc. What is that now? Show me that one.
This one is really it's a plastic bottle, but I broke up the glass bottle and take it tile it.
Tile it?
Yeah.
So you use glue and broken
it's
bottles?
Plastic inside, glue and broken bottles and coconut shell.
Wow.
And it becomes a vase.
Beautiful.
The cork is there so you can screw it.
So right now you don't even have a market for this stuff
No,
here?
I don't really have a market.
But you're making them anyway?
Of course.
You do them every day?
Every day. If I don't have anything to do, I always wash some bottles.
Man, you're an inspiration to me right now. So you don't waste time, man.
I don't.
You just find something to do. And look at this. He doesn't have a market right now, guys. So I'm challenging you who are watching right now. Share something. Do something. Reach out to somebody from me and have somebody contact him. These are beautiful, authentic toys using recyclable materials, and you have them in plastic ready for the market, right? Right? So you were showing me how one of them you can actually drive one of them, right? Yeah. But this is let's go back to the vase. So this is a vase here, and you have it here. Yeah. With a coconut.
Show you the bottle that I created. This bottle. This bottle.
That's the bottle you use.
Yeah. This part is the bottom. So
all right.
I cut the bottom.
Yes.
Turn it like this, then I tile the broken bottles on the outside.
So you use glue?
Yeah.
Man, I am so impressed with what you're doing. I'm so impressed. It's not funny.
And I do a little painting too, because all those pictures that you see on the wall there, I did it.
Yeah, but you do, so you do everything.
Everything.
So you're one of those kind of people. And they say you're waiting for the train to come back.
Of course.
Because you believe.
Yeah.
You believe that the train is coming back.
I believe.
And you believe that you'll be able to get a market for your items here.
Yeah.
These are, so give my viewers again an idea of some of this stuff. Just reel them off. Tell me, you don't have to show everything, but I know you make slippers
from fabric.
And I make slippers. These are some slippers.
Purses from.
Purses. And what else?
I take up clothes. If you have a big clothes and you want it to fit you, I can make it fit.
So you're a tailor as well?
Yeah.
You're a painter?
Yeah.
You're a tailor?
Yep. And I used to be a teacher.
You're a teacher?
And up to Thursday, they asked me to go up to the school to help in some art competition that they have. Yeah. I didn't do it, but I monitor them.
You monitor them?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, what else? And tell me about this again. This is a...
The lighter. So everything that all the parts on the car, those little shine parts, it's from lighter. So after I scrap the lighter...
So like this is the shiny part at the back of this car here. And this is all plastic. This is like a police car.
Yeah.
And this is all plastic.
All plastic.
Well, before you show with the lighter, show with the police car part, the parts of it again. So you would be a nice person, a good person for people who have them school projects.
Yeah.
And the teachers, them give you a lot of work, you know, man. At parents,
This has a trunk.
The trunk. Big up all teachers, guys. If you're a teacher, give me a thumbs up.
And the elastic on the bottom. If you draw it backwards. So if you have it in your hand and wheel the wheel, the elastic will wind up around the back wheel. Yeah, and if you put it down.
You make it mechanical?
Yeah.
Wow. So and that's you don't need any battery for that. You don't use the elastic.
And I put the elastic outside, so after it bursts, you can put it back. I always show them how to repair.
Lovely. And this is made from just waste plastic stuff. All right. This is the raw material.
Since I found these 5 cocks, that's the wheel. So I'm going to wash these 2 buckles and by tomorrow morning I'll have a new car.
Man, this man is something else. Look at these. These are bottle covers. He doesn't waste them. He uses them. Yeah. Bottle covers the gentleman used. If you see them on the road, he used to take him up. He doesn't waste. Let me show you something. Look at this. This is what I'm going to tell you how serious this man is. Anytime he sees a bottle He take it up. Look at this. This is his raw material in a little section here. Look at that. That's just plastic bottles, you know.
Yeah.
There's
So
soda bottles.
Even if I'm gone, they are not going to go to the gully.
Yeah.
Because somebody going to put them on the garbage.
Worst case. Yes. Man, I salute you for what you're doing. I'm salute you for what you're doing. And you still have some old time stuff here. I see you have coconut craft here. You have some. This is the old. Oops. Sorry. This is the old time iron. The old time iron.
My mother's shear ice.
Huh?
We used to use a shear
Shave ice. Yes. This place can be like a museum, man.
Yeah.
Guys, who remember this? Put a comment now if you remember this shave ice business.
You remember
man.
this? That's what we used to
Put a comment right now.
Ice.
Let me know if you remember this shave ice back in the days.
Yeah.
Shave ice. Yes. You get the ice and you make a sky juice. We call it sky juice.
So-
What do you call it? Sky juice. I call it sky juice.
Yeah.
Sky juice.
Yeah, man, that's kind of
Sky juice. I have a different name for it.
Yeah.
All right. But that's that. This. Yeah, so you have the, and the lighter one here. Tell me about the lighter one here.
Lighter one now. I always crop the lighter. That means I take off the top, get the parts from inside. So the parts from inside, I use it to build the car, to hold it together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
the inside.
after the hook is done, like the empty lighter, like this one,
Uh-huh.
this is empty now.
Uh-huh.
I would have to throw it.
Yeah.
And I don't want to throw it.
You don't throw away. You find use for it.
Yeah.
Nothing waste. Nothing waste. Nothing of that shit. This man is amazing. And you this here again, this is
Yeah.
this is all this stuff from the lighter. So when he sees a lighter, like when they finish, the people who smoke when they finish with it, they throw it away. You pick it up. And this is all this is
And some community members know I'm doing it, so they
bring it to
save
you.
for me.
So this is all the top part of the lighter.
Yeah. And the top part I use it to
Have you ever seen a man like this, guys? Be honest with me now. Look at this. This is just waste of lighter, old lighter, top head, something. And this man find use for them.
Come from the top.
You make a bike with it.
Yeah.
Let me come in this shade so people can see. So this is
I pull up the lighter to get the parts to make the car, but I don't throw away these because this is what.
so
makes the
nothing
bike.
waste.
Nothing.
Man, so guys, if you're into recycling, you need to know this man. This man don't waste nothing. The lighters that we throw away, you find a use for it. Every single part of it.
Every single.
So one part make a car,
Yeah.
the other part make a little bit a bike.
Yeah.
But Mr. Doc, I can hardly see this thing, man. So, but I'm sure I'm younger than you.
Yeah.
So you have really good eyes.
I'm 66.
You have good eyes, man. Because see there, hold on, listen.
That's a gift from God.
Man, that's good. That's beautiful. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. Yeah. This man is different. So they have the ladies stuff. If you want to, I actually came to the community not to see him. I didn't even know about him. I came to feature Catadupa. I ran into him and I said, no, this man deserves something special. This man deserves something special. So I'm here. And I'm here. So you have the technology here. You have
I have everything.
I have the iPad and something. And this is a sewing machine here if you need to sew something.
And this machine, it's my mother's machine. And my mother died. This machine is about my age.
Yeah. Which is what?
Still work.
Oh, 60 years.
60. Yeah.
And you still use it?
Still use it.
Excellent. And you have your little stuff where you're going.
Me and my friend them gather and we do music too, you know.
You do music?
Yeah.
You do music with a friend, either Rasta man, they bridge it too.
Yeah.
You do a little thing, and you see have your little cook, your little coal pot, so you go run a little boat.
Before COVID, we used to put on funds round and Mr. Hacking and donate something towards the school. So we donate a TT board to the school here.
Lovely.
That me and this
So you're doing community service anyway. And this is one of the slippers, guys, he has here. Yeah. Nice, original, authentic Jamaican stuff. Yeah. People look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah.
You know, I was once Miro. Miro was one to interview me, and I told him, I'm going to spray it, you know. I choose one of the paper, so I'm going to cover the paper and spray it white. And take it off back so you.
Yes. All right, let me see what else you have here. You were talking about so these are some more cars and stuff you have here on the bottom here. Yeah. Whole heap of them. So if you're looking for a unique gift for your child, guys, this is something that you need to check out. Hold on, this is an old shoe.
It's a shoes. I can make shoes too.
Oh, you make shoes too? Okay, good.
That's one of mine.
Yes. So these are some old. So if you're looking for something unique, it's a nice vase here. You know, and it's again, it's the ladies, what do you call this thing again?
Trinket box.
Trinket box. Using that. But this is a nice vase, flower vase.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And see what I actually put on it? It's T-U-N, ton, U-H-A-N, hand.
Turn your hand.
That's my Miss Lou.
Yes, turn your hand, Miss Lou. Big up Miss Lou. Big up Miss Lou. Big up Miss Lou. May her soul rest in peace for the inspiration. So yes, man, this is turn your hand. Yes, it's a message to, and message to probably everybody. Youngsters, you here? All right, so another nice one here. Another good. What is this one? This is this one.
This one is actually a tractor, you know.
Tractor?
Yeah. It has a scoop.
Uh-huh.
And it can go to ground. See? It's workable.
Oh,
so everything,
pick up.
yeah, it can pick up something.
Yo.
This is a water truck and water is in there.
Uh-huh.
So if you draw out this hose, I make it operational. If you pump the bottle.
Uh-huh. Water can come out.
See here? So I make it actually can work like a real water truck.
And that's using like a lotion cover, bottle cover.
Yes.
A lotion, the little pump thing.
The pump thing. It's a lotion bottle.
Whoa.
So all are just waste material.
Guys, big up Mr. Broom. Mr. Doc, we call him Catadoc. This is his little place, man. Right now he's selling to nobody. As I speak, as you're watching now, well, by the time you watch, hopefully he has a market. But if you know anybody who can help him get his stuff out, reach out to him or reach out to me, whichever. There's a link in the description right now. There's a link to him and there's a link to me, whichever one of us, you know, and let him get some cheese from this, we call it, man. He's doing a wonderful job. Old time raider, this is old raider here.
Yeah.
Old raider here. All kind of stuff. More vase, more vase. He using original, authentic
It's
stuff.
actually like a
Yeah.
turbo bottle.
Turbo, the bottle. Yes, a drink, a roots drink bottle you convert in there. Look at this beautiful one again. Man, if you need some craft lessons, chances are I can give you some lessons too, you know. You have a school and you want to do a tour, come over here, man. Link him, man, just come just for the tour, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. You know, there's something else I wanted to look at, so. Right now, I like.
It's just.
I like this.
2 days ago I created that.
Yeah, so this is like a
pen holder,
a desk pen holder. And you just open the bud, put some holes and put in some things, and you use it. I'm gonna have.
This is the top of the turbo bottle.
Top of the roots drink buckle. Look at that, man. How creative? How creative is that? Tell me, how creative? Only a Jamaican man. All right, he's doing everything here. Big him up for me. Big him up for me. Share some links, some likes, and some comments to big up Mr. Catadoc in the Catadupa community centrum. So when the train start, man, you're gonna get some good business. I hope so, because people will know about you.
I made even earrings.
This is some of his drawings as well. Paintings. He does painting. Here, you see the earrings?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, let me see the earring.
I made
And you use what to do the earring?
coconut shell.
Coconut shell.
These are earrings.
Yeah.
But the iron is not.
Wow.
Yeah.
Coconut shell.
Yep.
So, ladies, something for you too.
I don't throw away nothing.
Nothing. And he believes it. And let me see the broom now, man. The broom. I can't miss the broom, Mr. Catadoc.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going
Oh boy, I love this. Hold on. I love this. Reading is power. Powerful
And
statement.
This was done by me and a youth.
A baby youth.
Yeah.
Reading is power.
Reading is power.
Reading is power. And you believe so too? Yeah, man. Yeah, education is key. We believe it.
Yeah, and this is the hand broom that I made.
Oh, hold on a second. Big up Cocoa-Tea. You're a Cocoa-Tea fan?
Yeah.
This is who get big up here, so now? The Maroons?
Maroons.
Indigenous people.
Yeah, indigenous people.
Big up the Maroons. Big up the Maroons. I think this man is a Maroon, you know. I think this man, he's from the Maroon town. You still live in the Maroon town too?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so let me see the broom.
This is the broom. And it's made from plastic bottle. Ginger beer plastic bottle.
Look at that. Alright. A plastic broom.
Yeah.
What do you
Simple
suppose?
as the seat. I use scissors.
Uh-huh.
That's why I'm telling you, I do this in spare time.
Yeah.
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 I don't.
But you don't have no spare time if that's what you're doing.
No. If I'm not doing anything else, I've gone to take up a bottle and do something.
But the amount of work I see here, man, this is like a full-time work for it. And you still not getting nothing from it. So what you do for a living otherwise now?
You know, I used to run taxis sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, and certain schools around the communities buy things from me.
Okay, they still support you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And SDC always give me when they are having certain function. You know?
Wonderful,
Yeah.
wonderful. Big up SDC.
Yeah.
All the team at a Montego Bay team.
Yeah.
I know Miss Brown. Miss Brown is my friend. Miss Malcolm, they're not there. I think Miss Malcolm is still there.
Yeah.
Those guys bring them up. Miss Brown, I think is in Hanover, Westmoreland now. All right, so this is a broom, plastic broom.
Yeah.
Street, let me see something, man. Let me see if it works. Right? It works?
No, it's work. You know, it
Work, man, it
I have one at home, you know.
And it works?
I build one for myself first and try it.
So you use the
before.
plastic to turn to broom?
Yes.
So you still know, not no waste?
Nothing.
Nothing no waste. Big up Catadoc. Big up Catadoc. Big up Catadoc.
Nothing.
So that's Catadoc, guys. Catadoc from Catadupa.
Yeah.
That's how you get the name, right?
Yeah. I take off the Catadupa and put it on down.
Yes, yes, man.
Catadoc.
Catadoc. Well deserved.
Yeah.
Because you're a man for the community. You're a man in the community for the community, and I big up yourself for that.
It's Sunday gone, we cut down some of those trees around the market, right?
Yes,
so
yes.
we always do community work.
No, man, I know your help. You know, community is a big feature of you. You know your stuff. Man, I'm to come to you for some lessons, man. So guys, that's
I don't want to bring it with me.
yes. No, and you know, to be honest, that's one of the reasons why I feature you too.
Yeah.
So even when we move on, because we are just here for a time,
Always.
you know, there's somebody can see your work and be inspired by what you're doing, right? So that's some more stuff. That's some more stuff that he does here with art and craft. This is some drawings that he does. Painting, sorry, not drawings, painting.
You know, I used to sell this to tourists,
Yeah.
but 2005,
Uh-huh.
I always keep back.
Yeah.
I keep that.
And that one, okay.
For
Yeah.
us.
Yes, for your own
Island,
person. Yes. For your inspiration, perhaps. Yeah.
But
so
if tourists should come out, start to build them.
yes. No, well, tourists will come. The real system he's passionate about. He actually, as you saw in the description, there's a link in the description. He was one of the persons who shared a lot about the history of the railway system and the train here in Catadupa. So there's a link in the description. So that's why, no surprise then that he has a drawing, a painting on that. You know, music here.
Yeah,
Oh boy, this man is something else, man. Big him up for me in the comments, guys. Please. What are you doing with these boxes?
That's when
the
I'm going
suitcase.
out. Suitcase. When I'm going out, I would pack my things in.
Oh, so you use. Oh, well, so it's not for craft. It's just for your own personal use.
Yeah.
All right.
Pack the craft inside.
Okay, good. Excellent. Oh, wow. Wonderful stuff again. Catadoc.
Yeah.
If anybody want to reach out to you, man, do you have a contact number? They can reach out?
Yeah, my contact number is 876 830-7768.
All right, it's on screen as well, guys. And also, here it is right here.
Yeah.
Here it is right here. 876-830-7768. Link him, man. Link Catadoc, man. And big him up. If for nothing else, even if you don't want anything to buy, give him a big up. Give him a shout out, man. This man is a living legend. I honestly believe so. You have few of these people here. You believe in wasting nothing. Certainly recycling the one that's gonna cause environmental harm. If you are in the environmental in that industry, please reach out to him, man. Do something for him. Encourage him. Local or overseas.
If you are having a program and you want to invite me,
Yeah.
you can.
Yes, please. Program, invite any special events, any
As
historic.
long as the environment.
Yes, environment stuff. Yeah. So again, I'm appealing to people who have any interest or have links to people in environmental recycling and stuff. Touch base with him, man. Touch base with him. I'll point him to that person. I point that person to him now. Give him some big up. And if you have a child, give him some. If you want something authentic Jamaican, get one of these little gifts for him. There's something here for everybody. All right, awesome. Big up, Mr. Man. Big up again, Mr. Doc. All the best. Did you show me how to drive the car? You show me how to drive the car? Alright, so Catadoc has a vehicle that look like one of the Russian one. One of the Russian armored vehicle. Alright. And all that was is an elastic band on the bottom of it. That's all it is.
That's all it is.
That's all it is. How creative is that? Big up Catadoc. Catadoc, what a man. What do you think of him? I'd love to hear from you. Share a comment down below. And remember, I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. People like him sharing what I call the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you're not a part of this team, join us, man. Hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is the real Jamaica.